Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are playing Pet Legends. Stop! I do not want to draw. Okay, now I'm trying to move this drawing thing to the other side. No, okay, I'll just live with that. So if you use code Russo in the game, you'll get you'll get 1 billion snowflakes. And if you use TY, capital T and then Y, lowercase y, and then 50,000 in numbers, 50,000 in numbers, you will get this Cebulusino. I don't know how to pronounce it. So, I have 1 billion. And more storage, coal mine. Legendary pet chance? Nah, no. Okay, let's unequip all of our stuff. Because they're all trash. And we're gonna buy this. Why? What? $75,000 gone. 13 mil. Great. Dude, this is OP. Oh, triple fireworks. Let's go. Legendary. Oh. Bunny. Rare. 2022. E. Oh, that's the question mark. Ah! Oh my god. Dude, I got the question mark. I got the question marks. Oh my god. I got the question marks. Oh my. Oh. Oh me. Oh my. Oh. I got the question marks, dude. Oh. Okay, now I'm just hatching the 9%. Dude, that is so rare. I was just watching one of Russo's videos, and he didn't get the legendary at all, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. And he also has super lucky and lucky. And I don't. Oh. So good. Quick best. I could probably make these into a shiny. How much does the triple fireworks do? Oh my god. 252 million. By far my best. Where is it? Where's shiny machine? Actually, let's just call this gold machine. Because it's kind of the same. You, and you. Oh, you need gold. Dude, they're so slow. Oh. Did you guys see that? Oh, no, I'm not listening to the tutorial. I skipped the tutorial. I have 72,577,000,000. No, 577K. I got from that. Oh my god. Dude. I'm just speedrunning this at this point. What is it? I'll buy all of these. They're not oh, they're gold. Sorry. Well, how did I get the triple fireworks, dude? That was literally my second try. Oh my god. Yes. Ooh, presents. How much does this give? Triple fireworks? Okay, I'm stacked for days, guys. Nothing's stopping me. Nothing will stop me, because I'm just too great at this game. Oh yeah. This is too easy, guys. Too easy. I'm way past the tutorial. I skip it. That's what I mean. Just get this real quick. Thanks. 100 million. Nice. Oh, a million. I don't care. That doesn't touch my money. I'm too good for this game. Thank you. Yoink. Ooh, yoink. Ooh, I got a key. Nice. Now I have a key for the future area. Oh, I actually had two. I never realized. Ooh. Spicy. I am one-shotting everything. I am not lying. I am just clicking W for days. Dude, I am just clicking W for days. Speedrunning this. This has to be the fastest one, I bet. It's the fastest speedrun of this game. Dude. This has to be like the fastest speedrun in the world. I mean, not in the world, like in the game. Like, this is so fast. The green key. Honestly, I'm just gonna wreck this place. Billion? Oh, that's only 55 million. Ah, let's just go. Wait, is this the last place? Wait, what? I made it to the end. Oh, what level am I? Oh, I'm still level 1. Oof. Y'all getting wrecked. And then my PC runs low battery. Yeah. Best thing that could ever happen. Well, I have 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So that's enough for me. Wait a minute. Does that stop my recording? Oh, am I still recording? Yes, I am still recording. Okay, let me get my charger. Oh yeah, disclaimer, I might be recording videos until 12 a.m. because it is New Year's Eve. So, yeah. And it's only 3 people in the server, including me. Including, not excluding. Okay, now I'm gonna get the ultimate. You see this dog 2022? You see that? Dog 2022. You see that? Wait. Oh, wait. Teleport? I'll say shop, I'll do it. Okay, then let's go over there. Shiny. Make this. This is 6. And it's a success! Ooh, 34 million surpasses my fireworks. Nice. I got billion. 3 keys. I have, I don't think I have the key for that. I have the key for main. I'm just too good at this game, honestly, because of this code. I think I didn't get the one for here. Don't remember well. Okay, I'm just gonna send one. Boom! Come on. Okay. that strat doesn't work. Throw that piston strat out of the window now. So, okay, there. Got the key. I think I have one for here. I'm only level 2. Ugh. I'm gonna get... Oh. How many? Oh, I know where... Oh, whoa. What?